welcome. We will have a talk on the very common and a critical problem not faced by a single country but throughout the world. Still, we are in the modern era. This is one of the biggest problems still affecting the human existence, which is pollution. So today, let's have a survey and information on effects of pollution. Okay, so let's have it. Okay, so let's start with a survey on the death caused due to pollution. So WHO means World Health Organization, which looks after the world health. According to WHO survey, more than 7 million people cause to death annually per year only due to pollution. Okay, so let's have a quick overview on the top 10 countries in the world for the death caused due to pollution. The country India is at the top, 2.33 million deaths. Second number China, 1.87 million deaths. Number third Nigeria, 2,73,318 deaths. Number fourth Indonesia, 2,32,974 deaths. Number fifth Pakistan, 2,23,836 deaths. Number sixth Bangladesh, 2,07,922 deaths. Number 7th, United States, 1,96,930 deaths. Number 8, Russia, 1,18,687 deaths. Number 9, Ethiopia, 1,09,438 deaths. Number 10, Brazil, 1,10,787 deaths. From India to Brazil, so these were the top 10 countries in the world where most death caused due to pollution. So we saw a survey conducted by the WHO. Now let's start with what other effect does pollution affect to the nature and living beings.
3, 2, 1, jump!
So let's start with number 1, global warming. So what is global warming? Global warming is an unusual and rapid increase in the Earth's average surface temperature over a past century, time to time, due to the greenhouse gases and the burning of fossil fuels. So why there is an increase in the Earth's surface temperature? So as we know that the pollutants and the greenhouse gases are released in the atmosphere, it will make a layer of pollutant around the Earth, which will not let the heat from the sun to Earth to go back into the space, and they will block and trap the back going of heat, and this will lead to the increase of the Earth's surface temperature. So let's have effects of global warming. So number 1, increase in the temperature of the Earth's surface. Number 2, melting of ice in Himalayas. And number 3, change in the climate. So there is a survey. According to scientists, 2019 was the second warmest year, where increase in 1.15 degrees Celsius. Here you can see the overview of the year 2019 from January to December month of change in the temperature. So here are the two peaks of 1980 and 2012. We can see how ice is rapidly melting in only 32 years. Here we can see half of the ice is melted. So melting of ice can cause decrease of land at the coastal areas and increase in the water level. So it's also the loss of a fresh water. Climatic change is one of the biggest cause of also changing of a schedule of seasons, which is very harassing and very dangerous for the farmers. So climatic change will be increase the danger of existence of certain living things. Yes, here the cause of climatic change, which will be warmer, which will cause the fire in the forest, which will cause drought, which will cause also cyclone and many other dangers. So number 2, respiratory health problems. So this is the biggest problem for cause of death. So here from 7 million, 21% people died due to pneumonia, 20% from strokes, 31% from ischemic heart disease, and 19% from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and 7% from lung cancer. So yes, this all is because of the air pollution, which contains chemicals, particles, pollutants in it, and this is a silent killer. So air pollution is a major environmental risk to the health. By reducing air pollution level, countries can reduce it, but it's silent killer like strokes, heart diseases, lung cancer. So regional estimate according to the WHO regional grouping. So here you can see the regional where there is more and more death due to pollution. Most affected to children, women, outdoor workers. In children, pneumonia is the leading cause of death in children under 5 years of age, and air pollution is a major risk factor. And women working in the smoky kitchen are exposed to high level of household air pollution. And outdoors worker, people who work in outdoors such as street vendors and traffic officers, are affected by air pollution and the smoke which is released from cars. Deterioration in building material means damage in monuments of building structures. So here is a pic of Taj Mahal. You can see then means before how white is it was, and now means it is how somewhere yellowish. It is because the industrialization around the Taj Mahal. So due to the government orders, now it is stopped. So now after some time it's coming whitish. So here is a very beautiful picture of the Rome monument which was cut due to natural calamities, but some part is also cut due to pollution. So number 4, acid rain. The effects of acid rain. Acid rain damages the leaves of plants. It depletes the fertility of the soil. How do acid rain fall? The gas like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide released in the atmosphere, they react with the water and form solution of nitric and sulfuric acid, which is very poisonous, and as well they fall as a rain with the raindrops. So as we know, though acid rain does not burn human skin, it can cause serious disease or even lead to the death. The toxic gases can cause asthma, cancer, and heart diseases. As we know, the first rain in the rainy season is acid rain because all the pollutants with the rain droplets will be falling on the earth's surface. So number 5 is extinction of animal species. Let's have an example of a genetic change in the wild bees due to pollution. This is a very recent research done by the Bangalore researchers. Due to the pollution, heartbeat, immunological and genetic change in the giant Asian honeybee, which is the cause of the change in the lower survival rates. So these were some critical effects of pollution which are a great obstacle in the existence of the earth. So let's we all stand with unity and move forward to decrease the pollution at somewhat by participating in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. If you like my video, hit the like button and share as much you can and fill the comment box. So once again, thank you.